Hello, I'm Bob Odie. Welcome to VFXsuccess.com. Today I'm reviewing the book Compositing Visual Effects by Steve Wright. Let's get started. Compositing Visual Effects by Steve Wright. Essentials for the Aspiring Artist. Second edition, softcover. Published by Focal Press. This book is 330 pages long, divided into 15 chapters, covering such topics as digital capture, 3D and stereo compositing, compositing CGI, image blending, animation, and tracking a single VFX shot from concept to completion. The author has over 20 years' experience working on feature films and commercials. He's also written Digital Compositing for Film and Video, which is in its third edition. There are hundreds of black and white and full color images and drawings to help you visualize the processes covered. It's written in a way that makes even the most complex techniques understandable. It's a great read. Have a successful week.